Hello, this is Mrs. Meyer, here to make music with you. I'm not going to be going into ISOM today, I'm at home, but good thing I have my door. I can think of a great song to do just right here. See if you like it. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. I love this song because we have quarter notes, which you already know have one beat, and we call them ta. The song also has half notes, ta, ah, that lasts for 2 beats. But there's something else going on in the song. We have a note that could be described like this, 2 half notes tied together, which would be 1, 2 plus 1, 2, which is really how many beats? 4. Can you believe it? There's a note that lasts 4 beats in this song. We could tie 2 half notes together to make it, or we could use this. Whenever we're holding a note for 4 beats, we call that a whole note, and it looks like this. I'm going to sing it one more time, and I want you to listen carefully. What is the word that I'm singing longer than all the other words? Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. What word did I hold longer, or note did I hold longer than any other? Do you think door? You're right. Let me show you how the 4 beats fit into the word door. But see how I'm a music teacher, I have 2 hands on my uke. I need 1 more hand. Oh, if I could just grow 1 more hand. Hand, please. Would you look at that? An extra hand. Just what a music teacher needs without a classroom. Okay, I'm going to sing door, and we'll see if the hand can knock 3 times. Hand, why don't you come over here, like right there, so we can see you a little better. That's perfect. I'm going to sing door. The hand will knock the 4 beats. Door. Oh, that's okay, hand. I know it's easy to get shy. So just knock. Maybe I'll do it with you. No, you got it? Okay. Somebody's knocking at my door. Perfect. Thank you, hand. Can you do that every time I sing door? That would be awesome. Can you give me a thumbs up if this is going to work for you? Thank you so much. Gotta love it. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. I could really hear the 4 beats, but I thought I just heard something else. There it is again. That wasn't our 4 beats. That was like a knocka, 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 knocka. That wasn't what we were doing. Should we see if somebody's here? Oh, look who it is. It's Sloth. How you doing, Sloth? So good to see you. Are you doing well? Oh, that's great. Stay safe, Sloth. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye. Wasn't that a great surprise? Cool. Making music by a door kind of works. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. knocking your 4 beats while you're singing that word door? Fantastic. There it is again. Did you hear that? I think we better answer. Oh, it's Ocelot. How did you get here, Ocelot? So nice of you to come to my neighborhood. Are you doing well? Oh, yeah, I miss Isom too. Thanks for stopping by. That was great. We'll see you soon, okay? Okay, bye-bye. I think this is kind of fun. Maybe we ought to try it again. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. Great job, hand. Did your hand get those 4 beats too? All right. Not again. Can you believe it? Oh, I should have known. It's Parrot. You flew in. Good job. Look at these strong wings. I hear he's been soaring all over the place. How are the winds today? Not too bad? Good job. Well, it's wonderful to see you. Thank you, Parrot. Thank you for stopping by. See ya. Oh boy, singing can be exhausting even though it is so much fun. Let's try it one more time. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. Wow, what an ending. That was a good one. Good job with all, wait just a minute. Good job with all your singing, I was gonna say, but someone's knocking on the door again. This is a busy time. Oh, it's Marmoset. Look, you just kind of swung in here, didn't you? Kind of a little swing in action. Look at you go. Wow, so nice. Whoa, I think that was a loop-de-loo kind of a move. I mean, for a marmoset. Can you do that again? Oh, very nice, Marmoset. Thank you for coming to visit. And thank you for making music with me today.